passionate. I work hard so when it pop, it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch your.
Hello loves, and welcome back to another video, another trial haul. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back. Okay, so I did want to bring you a boohoo haul. This video is sponsored by boohoo. I don't know what I was going to say just then, but this video is sponsored by boohoo. I wanted to show you guys the packaging. They do have new packaging. I meant to show you it in the last video, but it's really cute. It's really like spring and summer. I love the like peach and coral tones in here, so that's cute, and I just wanted to show you guys that. But let's just go ahead and hop into this haul. So the first thing we have here is this red jumpsuit. Now I really like this because I really like red. I like that it's not all the way to the like ankles. It's kind of up a little bit. It's almost like it's not 3/4, but it's kind of like 3/4 basically. And that's probably how I would wear it with a pair of heels. So this is really cute, but I will say I feel like, oh, and the belt is attached, but I do feel like it's tugging. I feel like in the midsection, which you do kind of get sometimes where jumpsuits are not giving you enough torso room. So I definitely feel like that in here. But I love the deep V, and I like that it's not too deep to the point where you don't know what bra you're gonna wear, and you still have like a little cleavage that you can show. So I really like this, and it'll look nice with some necklaces. So yeah, outside of it feeling like it's tugging in the torso a little bit, I do like the belt feature. I like the length of it. I like the sleeve. Everything seems to be okay with me outside of the torso, right? So then in the back, this is where you really like see it, where it really kind of looks like it's pulling down, and it's just not the cutest sight, and I don't like when my jumpsuits do that. So that's the back of this first one. All right, so y'all know I love wearing white. Okay, so that actually was like a 24, and I'm like, that didn't feel like a 24. I thought it was a 20, honestly, for it to be like so tight in the midriff. So then we have this one here, which I love white. I love wearing white. The only thing is keeping white clean, like from makeup, and just so scared to spill anything on it. But other than that, I really love wearing white, and you probably see a lot of white from now on my feed because of the aesthetic that I'm going for. But I really like this. It's really comfortable. I don't feel like I'm pulling, tugging, or anything. I love the sleeve on here. I think this is a really nice vacation beach outfit, and I know we are in the house, guys, but I think the more we kind of work and think about ourselves, and not, I mean, we got to think about everybody, but once you hold yourself accountable, you know, and everybody's holding themselves accountable and not going out when they shouldn't and when it's not necessary, then I think this will be over quicker, you know. But in the meantime, you can still collect items for later this year, next year, etc. And I'm really liking this one. And you guys know I don't really keep rompers around too much unless I really like them, but this is one I'm definitely going to keep around. Love the neckline. It is so pretty. Also like the last one where you have kind of like a deep V, but it doesn't seem like it's going to be too exposing up here. And I can kind of wear the bra that I have on now, which is like just a regular old bra. So that's this piece here. Here is the back of this piece. And now you guys know I don't really wear shorts, especially this short, but like I said, this is definitely vacation, summer vibes, and I don't mind it. It's okay. It's not the cutest, the most flattering, but yeah, that's this romper here. So here we have this gingham print pantsuit, which is actually really similar to like a plaid one that I have from boohoo, but you guys know I'm a pantsuit collector nowadays, and I'm doing that more so geared towards career, like my choice of career and what I'm, you know, going for and leaning towards and working towards. So I want every single color pantsuit that there is for when the time comes, and I will definitely need them. So this is like a, I think it's black and white and not navy. Yeah, it's black and white. This is like a more, I kind of wish the blazer was a little bit bigger, as far as wraparound, but in the sleeves and stuff I really like it. And Boohoo typically does really good with the sleeves of their blazers and pant and co-ord jackets. So yeah, this is really nice. The pants do have pockets. I just paired it with the shirt. It actually reads, if not now then when. And I think this is really like a good quote or question to ask, and you know, it's just a cool shirt to have, especially, I don't feel like I said that right. It's a cool shirt to have, especially if you are kind of like a motivational person, or you just want something motivational for yourself, if you're a creator, influencer, etc. And you kind of just want to get this out here, or a business owner and all that good stuff. And that's actually what I'm going to use it for, a post on my new business page. And it's going to be, you know, if you don't start today, when are you going to start? You know, there's only so many tomorrows, you know. So that's this t-shirt and co-ord, and this is just what the back looks like. So these are the back of the pants, which actually come up really high, and I do like that. And it's the same for the front. So I do appreciate Boohoo for making some really nice fitting pants. It does have like a little dart in here, just cute, you know, just a cute pantsuit to have. I love this so much from the front. Okay, so are you guys the type to, I've been asking questions in all my videos, but are you the type to, if you can put a dress over your head, will you still do that even if you can pull it up from the bottom? I typically like to pull it up because I feel like when I put it over my head, it kind of pulls underwear and everything down, so I like to pull it up. Anywho, random fact. So this is so cute. The concept is really nice. I almost wish it was a romper, because yeah, no, the back is like riding up every time I walk. So this won't work for me per se, but I love the shape of it. I love this extra detail here. Kind of gives you just, you know, it accentuates your shape, or kind of gives you a shape, well, the more like fit and flare shape. So I love this ruffle detail. This is such a pretty dress, but as I said, when I walk, it does not stay up in the back, y'all, not at all. So yeah. And then as far as the sleeves, I'm like, do they go on the shoulder, do they not? I don't know, but I really like the neckline that it gives. This is so pretty, and I love almost everything that I have in this color here. Like, I love this mustard golden yellow color. So that's this piece here. Sadly, it doesn't work for me. So I love this. It is so soft. The inside is really soft, like softer than the out. So nice. So this just says Icon. I actually have it in black and white as well, but I really wanted the olive one for one, my over the knee boots, and two, because I have an olive like cap that I want to wear so badly. So I was like, yeah, I never wear olive enough, so I really wanted to pick this one up here, and I do love olive on. So this is like a hooded sweat dress, but you can actually wear it just like an oversized hoodie with a pair of biker shorts, a pair of leggings. I do wish that it had pockets, but other than that, they really did this, you know, they did good on this one here. I love it. It is kind of oversized, does still feel a little short on me, but I like that about it. So I'm actually going to wear the black one around the house today. But this is the back of it, and I like that it kind of goes lower in the back than the front. You do have like that sweatshirt line here, which kind of keeps it down and it's not going to ride up. So that's this piece here. Really comfortable, and something I can definitely throw on and just be around the house in, or throw on and go out. Now typically I don't really like to wear sweater dresses out, like sweatshirt dresses, because I kind of feel like I feel real exposed. Even though it's real covered, I feel a lot of air. Okay, so I don't really be liking it, but this is definitely some cozy chill vibes. So here we have the black one, which is so pretty. I like the olive too. I don't know which one I like better, but I really like that olive one. But this black one is like a classic, you know, something staple. Black and white, mostly black, clearly. And again, it just says Icon. It's a hooded sweater dress. It's comfortable, just as soft as the other one. So yeah, that's the items that I got from Boohoo. This haul felt a little short, but it's okay, because I got some good pieces like the pantsuit, the t-shirt, the romper, and then these two like hoodie dresses, sweater dresses, sweatshirt dresses, sweatshirt dresses. I'm definitely gonna keep those items around, but the red jumpsuit and the mustard dress did not work for me. But this is the back of the item, same as the olive, and I just put on socks because I'm gonna wear these too, and I really can't stand socks, y'all. I don't like wearing socks if they're not necessary, but these are okay. I'm still not a big fan. They make me hotter quicker. But anywho, thank you guys so much for joining. Be sure to check the links down below and check out the new arrivals at Boohoo. I believe I saw some swimwear, which I'm really curious and I want to check out. But yeah, I'll have everything linked down below. And again, I did partner with Boohoo to bring you guys this trial haul.